Andropause is a condition marked and exacerbated by a slow but steady decline in endogenous testosterone production. Healthy men will usually experience a 1% drop in testosterone every year, starting around age 40. From age 40 to 70, we see an average of 60% testosterone loss. By the time you are 60, only 2% of testosterone is free. 98% of testosterone is bound by the sex hormone binding globulin. LJ100 works by inhibiting the SHBG, thereby increasing free testosterone levels. In a 2002 study, presented at the first Asian Andrology Forum in Shanghai, China, 30 male patients in healthy relationships took either 100 milligrams of LJ100 or placebo for 3 weeks. During this time, they filled out the Sexual Health Inventory Questionnaire, SHIQ. At the end of the study, the SHIQ showed a 62% increase in scores, demonstrating increased sexual desire and sexual attempts. The partial androgen deficiency in aging men, PADAM scores, improved by 82%, suggesting physical, vasomotor, psychological, and sexual well-being. DHEA gradually increased from 26% at the end of week 1 to 47% at the end of week 3, and SHBG decreased 30% in subjects. Consequently, free testosterone levels increased in 73% of the subjects.